Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I am actually sleeping outside. Right now it is 1:34. I don't know if you can see that. It's 1:34 a.m. Most of my gear is already out there. Now we just need to go out there. It's me, Coco, as I spend the night outside. I'm gonna be recording as much as I can, so like, I have this cut on my finger, or it's like a opening of my finger, really hurts. Basically, as much as possible, I will be recording tonight. There's gonna be a minute of darkness, and I might not cut it out as I go outside. Nature sounds. There we go. It's only supposed to get down to 12 tonight and be cloudy, so I can't really see with the flashlight pointing on my face, but better for you guys. And we've arrived. Now it's not a tent. Whew. I have not slept out here in, it's really hard to do with one hand, 5-ish years. Let me get inside, then I'll show you guys my setup. Alright, hello, I'm back. This is my setup. Alright, so let me just show you guys. This is basically where I am. That's the door. This is my handle, so I can actually open the lock because it's locked. I actually have two lights, one there, one here. This, as you can see, is a red bulb. So I don't really want to turn that on right now. And my nice little home for the night has a window. And if I have to open that during the night, or something blows that open during the night, I'll probably die. That's scary. This is the first solo sleep out here. Bag of stuff, 2 water bottles, my phone, extra blanket. This is my sleeping bag. I'll put it for me. So that's basically all I have right now. Basically, if anything happens tonight, or like I wake up, I'll record. So hopefully this is a longer video than just this. Hey guys. So I'm just hanging out. Be really quiet. It's gone now. I don't even know if I actually heard anything. Let me explain. So I'm sitting here. I have my computer. I'm watching YouTube. I have one earbud in. I'm just sitting here, and I hear a voice, and I'm like, that doesn't sound like who I'm watching. So I pause, and then I hear it. I hear it still. So I take my earbud out. Can you hear that? That's sirens. So you hear a helicopter and you hear sirens. And I'm pretty sure I heard a voice. I'm pretty sure they're like, that was like in the helicopter, like, stop your car, like stuff like that. I really couldn't hear what it was, but I heard something. That kind of freaked me out. Hearing that voice, like that loud. Of course, it's meant to be loud, so you can hear it inside of a car. So like, could be far away from me, could be really close. I see no harm in recording. Just for a while, I don't have a tripod, so it's balanced. The camera's balanced on my shoes, just so I can still have me. This is really just a capture if the helicopter happens again. See it? It's way out there. So it's like I can hear it really well, but it's way out. It's far away, so. Back to it. After about half an hour, the camera turned off and stopped recording, and by that point, I kind of assumed that the helicopter was the only interesting thing that was going to happen, so I fell asleep too. I was mostly right, except for the fact that I woke up at around 3 a.m. because something else happened. Hey guys, so I just woke up. It's 3:18 a.m. Don't know how long ago the camera stopped recording, but it did, and sometime during the night the helicopter left. I don't hear any sirens or anything like that anymore. I think what woke me up is I smelled a skunk, but luckily, got windows closed, doors closed. I'm okay in here. But yeah, I smelled a skunk, so. Add-on from editing Liam. I didn't hear it during the night, and I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the sirens actually weren't gone. During this clip, you can hear them in the background as I'm talking. Alright, I'm pretty tired, so I'm gonna go back to sleep. If I wake up again, I will update you guys. Alright, good morning guys. So I only woke up, I think, 2 times during the night. Nothing really happened after the police chase. Well, I can remember. I know I recorded something. I survived. That's really all that matters. This was fun. Add to this to make it more entertaining. Drop a like down below. Leave in the comments your ideas for stuff like this I could do. Subscribe if you have not already. We're trying to reach 200 subscribers by the end of May. And I hope you guys all enjoyed.
I will see you later, and do not forget to stay sweet. Goodbye, my friends.